You are welcome in the tutorial class. Topic is equation of pair of straight line. It is the third class of the topic. Question is here: find the single equation of the of which passes through the point this and perpendicular to the line represented by these equations. Means this equation will produce two different equations, and we have to find the equation of the lines which are perpendicular each of them. Let's see the solution. It is one very important question. It has been already asked in 2070, 67, 66 and 65. This means this question or this type of question may have been asked there in the SLC. SLC currently is known by SEE exam of Nepal. So student, I am going to teach you this question which is very important for you. Let's see the solution sincerely and concentrately this video. I am going to teach you way how we'll solve the question. Equation is given. See here, this equation is x square minus 5xy minus 6y square equals to 0. Can you separate two equations from it, which we have already learned how to separate the equation? And we write the equation here. See, equation will come here, equation will come here. Two equations you can separate, and after separating it you will get two separate equations. Let's see what equations you will get for this. Equations are x square minus 5xy minus 6y square equals to 0. Factorize it. X square minus 6 is here. 6 by subtracting we have to bring 5, so 6 ones are 6, and it will be here 6xy minus xy minus 6y square equals to 0. Or we write here x square minus 6xy plus xy minus 6y square equals to 0. Or x is common, x minus 6y plus y is common, x minus 6y equals to 0. Or it is x plus y times x minus 6y equals to 0. One equation is x plus y equals to 0. This is the equation 1, and another equation is here x minus 6y equals to 0. This is the equation 2. See, we got here two separate equations, and we write the equations here. Then we will get here this equation 1 is x plus y equals to 0. Another one is x minus 6y equals to 0. After getting the equations, what we will do here, this equation is passing through one point. This point is 0, 0, and this point is also 0, 0. In the previous exercise, you have learned how to find the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to the given line and passing through the origin. Here perpendicular to the line. So we need to find what is the equation of this, what is the equation of this, and what is the equation of this. We have to find out. So for this you have learned in the previous class how to find the equation. Here by using that method, or which I am going to tell, you can use this method also. See here, condition is given here perpendicular, and here also shown perpendicular. So for the perpendicular we can write here the equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to the line of equation 1 is, we can write here perpendicular, so exchange their coefficients and both coefficients are 1, so you can write here x, y, and middle sign is plus, make it minus, plus k equals to 0. Since the line is passing through, since the line of equation third is passing through 0, 0, we put here this value here, then we will get here k value is, so after putting here 0, 0, putting here we will get implies k equals to 0. Therefore the equation of the straight line, which is perpendicular to the line of equation one and passing through origin is x minus y equals to 0. Similarly, we got here this equation. What we got here? This equation is here x minus y equals to 0. We got here x minus y equals to 0. Similarly, we have to find this equation. See here how we'll get it by the same process. When we use this equation second, and same process will repeat, then we'll get here 6x, this is equation fourth, and we'll get here 6x plus y equals to 0. This is equation 5. We write here 6x plus y equals to 0. Student, we got here again we combine these two equations. See here, combining these two equations means multiply them, then we'll get here x minus y times 6x plus y equals to 0, and from this we'll get one equation. See here how we'll get it, multiply them, x minus y times 6x plus y equals to 0, or 6x square plus xy minus 6xy minus y square equals to 0. Simplify it, it is 6x square minus 5xy here it is minus y square equals to 0. This is the single equation found by the two straight lines. So from here you can write here 6x square minus 5xy minus y square equals to 0. Student, I have shown you what is the way of finding it. See here one more time, equation is given, separate equations found, perpendicular equations found, after that we multiplied, we got the single equation. This is the process. In strip you are looking here, the point is given 0, 0. In the place of 0, 0, it may be given another points also, but the process are same. As process we used here, this process we can repeat for any point, either that is 1, 2 or 0, 0 or some other points. So don't confuse about the points. Points doesn't make any problem for you if you have understood the process. See again this process is very important for you to understand and to do the questions. If you have set it this figure in your mind, then you never forget the solution, how to do it. Student, each and every video there are links, please go through the links, and watch the many more videos. If you want to get more questions, please type www.mathsdiarynepal.com. If you are watching this video in the Maths Diary Nepal, then go through the other questions of the chapter in the Maths Diary Nepal. Hoping you like it, share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching the video.